Low and high trucks. What's the difference and why does it matter? Traditionally speaking, low trucks have been used more for street skaters and tech skaters, where higher trucks have been used more for transition skaters and vert skaters. So the main reason street skaters and tech skaters have been using lower trucks more often is because your board is lower to the ground. Your board is going to be lower to the ground, and then you're going to get a quicker response. That means when you snap your tail, it's going to be a lot quicker versus if you're on a higher truck, it's going to take a little more time. So most times when you're skating a ledge, you're skating something tech on the street, you kind of want to have that precision. So having that quicker response helps most of the time. Now, when you have lower trucks, your wheels are going to be closer to the board. Most street skaters and tech skaters usually have small wheels, so this isn't a really big problem. But if you have big wheels, you're going to get wheel bite more often than not. Now, with lower trucks, you're not going to be able to turn as quick or have as a responsive turn. That's why we're going to go into high trucks. Now, higher trucks tend to be off the ground more, so you have a little more room to turn and stuff like that. You're not going to have as quick as a response as a low truck, so you're going to have to hit your tail a little harder when you have high trucks. Some people like that, some people don't. Most of the time, people with higher trucks ride transition, invert, and stuff like that, so they need a little more clearance for turning. So when your board is a little higher, you can turn a little more sharper. You're also going to have more clearance between your wheel and your board, and transition and vert skaters tend to have bigger wheels, and that gives them more clearance for their wheels and stuff like that. Now, just because you skate street doesn't mean you have to have low trucks, and just because you skate transition doesn't mean you have to have high trucks. You can have different combinations of board setups. You can have big wheels with low trucks, little wheels with high trucks. It's all preference at the end of the day, so just try stuff out and see what fits for you. Well, hopefully this helped you learn about